Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your profile link on Telegram with the latest updated method. Whether you want to connect with a friend, a colleague, or even someone new, sending your profile link is one of the quickest ways to let people reach you directly without any hassle. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look for your profile by tapping on the menu or simply selecting your profile picture in the top corner. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your details are displayed. Now, this next step is simple but important. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see three small dots, often called the menu button. Go ahead and tap on those three dots. Once you do, a small drop-down menu will appear with a few options. From these, you'll need to select the option that says Copy Link to Profile. When you tap it, your unique profile link will be instantly copied to your phone's clipboard. With the link copied, you're now ready to share it. All you need to do is choose who you want to send it to. Open any conversation inside Telegram, whether it's with a friend, a family member, or a group chat, and paste the link into the message box. Then hit send. The person on the other side can now open that link and go straight to your profile within Telegram. This method is especially useful if you don't want to waste time searching for usernames, or if you prefer a direct way of connecting. Instead of spelling out your username or number, your Telegram profile link does the work for you. So that's all it takes. Open your profile, tap the three dots, copy your profile link, and share it with anyone you want. With just a few taps, you can easily guide people to your Telegram profile and stay connected faster than ever. Thanks for watching.